Another snowstorm. Done. For now. Still counting this one. This is a real blizzard. I actually love it. My shoulders better. Not 100% yet, but if you follow my videos at all, I mentioned I was only benching like 50 pounds at max for reps for going on like 3 months. And now here we are about a month later, a little bit less than a month. It's been about 3.5 weeks since that last snowstorm. And I'm now back up to doing 245 for 2 sets of 8, 2 sets of 6, plus like 8 sets of 10, 12, 14, 20, 190, 160, whatever rep pattern I want to throw in there. My shoulder feels 100% comfortable. No pain when I wake up anymore. First time in months that I've been able to pull my blankets over my body in my bed without having to contort myself into an awkward position and kind of like flick from like my elbow, or either that or just carefully crawl under my blankets. Wiping my ass hurt like hell because my right shoulder was fucked up too. So it was a significant injury, and I've overcome it like I know I would, like I always do. It's not like I've been going to the gym. Like you don't get it. Like every Saturday night of my entire adult life since I was like 20 years old, and I'm not even joking. The gym. I don't go out. I don't drink. I don't do once in a while treats. I'm a gym guy every day of my life. So I say I'm hurt. It means I'm hurt. If I'm benching 50 pounds, if I'm bench pressing 50 pounds, it means I'm fucking hurt. I'm not wrong. I'm not an idiot, and I'm not delusional. I'm correct. Somebody that's bench pressing 335 on an incline, 5 reps, it drops down to benching 50, struggling the following 2 weeks later, has something wrong with them. They're not exaggerating, and they're not a pussy, and they're not like misdiagnosing themselves. My diagnosis was 100% accurate. Torn rotator cuff, I rehabbed it myself, and possibly 2 torn rotator cuffs. One was actually really bad, the other one mild, and I rehabbed them both myself, and they are on the up and up. By this time, 2 weeks from now, I'll be benching 335 for sets of 5 again, and that's how it works. Another blizzard. I'm going to bed. I'm exhausted. That's 2 rounds of shoveling in one night. It's probably going to snow 2-3 more inches yet. So I'll probably wake up and have to hit it again, but at least I got the lion's share out of the way. I don't know what that means. I've heard it used before. I think it means the bulk of the work. So hopefully I use that in the appropriate context. If not, I don't really care. Otherwise, game's coming along great. I got my DirectX DXT1 textures mapped into my back map. I got 256 tiles now. The visual has improved dramatically, and it was already good looking, the graphics. Now it just looks perfect. The way that the the back map is taking the terrain now because it's still got that pixelated look, but it's more images, and it's a larger map that is filling out the same space, the same area. So my tile, my art is a little bit larger, so it's not stretched as much. So even though they're lower quality textures, PNG is a better quality than DDS. DDS is unwrapped. It doesn't have to be decoded at runtime like a PNG file does. That's why it makes sense to use DDS. That's why DDS was invented. It's lightweight and it's comparable, but it will degrade the quality of an image going from PNG to DDS in most cases, unless you're going from a low quality PNG to a high quality DDS, and of course it's the opposite, but that's a whole different can of worms. Anyway, I went to a lower quality texture, but it's lighter at runtime. It's actually nothing at runtime. It's unwrapped at runtime. It's just the cost. My folder is 20 megabytes. That's what it costs me in my runtime now. It's exact. It's a direct translation of cost at runtime. And it looks way better. I'm looking forward to showing you guys. Otherwise, I got my entire pipeline. I own my entire pipeline now as well. I got rid of the Sprite Batch fonts. I imported my own font renderer. So now I render my own fonts, and it looks gamey. It looks real good. So a lot of visual improvements and performance improvements in the engine. Continued code learning and improvement daily on that. The engine's getting stronger every day. The engine's getting better every day. It's looking better every day, and it's getting closer to becoming complete every day. And it won't be long now at all before I have my very own grand strategy engine and title to my name, and that's pretty cool. I'm extremely proud of that. I can't wait till that comes to fruition and is a reality. As of now, I'm going to bed. Let's check.